It's late in the day. Well, in the morning. All the nuts have been eaten, so all we have left are peas. It's too fighting right in front of you. It's too exciting. We like birdies the best. So many squirrels. We don't know what to do, but birdies we really like. Boy, do I have to wash those windows. Again, I'm sorry, a cell phone video so much more wobbly than regular camera video. Quality's bad too. But hey, I'll be accepting donations if you want me to buy a better camera. Replace the last one. Are they mocking you? Are they mocking you? Running around all in front of you like you're no big deal. Like you're not the mighty tiger who rules the jungle. Got some back in the corner too. Birdie's just staying up on the chair out of the way. I'm not getting in this mess. And like I said, this is after the nuts have gone. The food has been out there about 15 minutes now. This is not as crazy as it is right in the beginning. Oh, still coming in. Still coming in. We pretty much cleaned up everything that was left. Poor little birdie. Gonna check the cracks in the cement now. Make sure we didn't miss anything. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but the rocks in back are also always jumping with squirrel activity. Might be some under the giraffe that I missed. Guess not. There's a little one sitting out in the grass, pulling up the grass. Over to the left, you can see the rock pile is always busy. It's like the rocks are alive. Oh, let's see. I don't know. Get a whole lot better view any lower. I think we're mostly done. Oh, there's a birdie. Oh, gone again. Chased by a squirrel. It's just the birdies that get his tail twitching. Don't know why he likes them best. I'm hoping one of the squirrels does what they sometimes do and just come right up to the glass and look at him nose to nose. He doesn't quite know what to do about that. And there's two down on the grass over to the right. See, the patio's clear, but they keep coming in to check, and they will for quite some time. Go home, Junior. Okay. Babies aren't comfortable enough for me to be outside. They come eat. One of them is, but not the rest. So hopefully, in a week or two, I can get some video outside. Poor cat. He's going to feel left out. But I do need to wash my windows, that's for sure.